Hello, I'm Kate, and in today's video I'm going to show you what you need to make a paper or card project with your Cricut machine. You can cut paper or card with any of the Cricut machines. In terms of mats, you'll need the light blue mat, like this one here. And then of course you'll need some paper or card. I'm going to use some glitter cardstock, but you can use anything from fine washi paper up to really heavy cardstock. When you attach your card onto the blue mat like this, you'll find a brayer tool. One of these roller tools here is really helpful to make sure that you get a nice even stick on your mat. Once your machine has cut out your design, you need to turn your mat over and peel the mat back off the card to reveal your design. You'll notice that usually part or all of your design will stay stuck on the mat, and you need to peel them off really carefully so they don't bend, fold or tear as you're lifting them from the mat. So I find this spatula tool or the scraper tool really helpful for that job. And then finally, other tools that I find really helpful when making paper or card projects are a trimmer, so you can always cut out nice and neatly and minimize waste, and also a pair of scissors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful, and please check out other videos for lots more project ideas, hints and tips. Bye bye.